What if the last of a species wasn't really the last? What if extinction was just a pause, not an end? Imagine for a moment a world where the final curtain call for a species isn't necessarily the end of their story. This isn't a science fiction tale. This is the fascinating and hopeful reality of animal species that have made a miraculous return from the brink of extinction. These are the animals that have defied the odds and rewritten the rules of survival, proving that nature has a way of bouncing back even when things seem most dire. The phenomenon of animals coming back from extinction is known as the Lazarus effect. This reference to the biblical story of Lazarus, who was brought back to life, perfectly encapsulates the awe-inspiring resilience and tenacity of these creatures. In our journey today, we'll be exploring the thrilling tales of 3 such animals. Each has their unique stories of survival and resurgence, offering us a glimmer of hope in a world often filled with tales of loss and decline. First, we'll take a flight to the lush forests of Madagascar to meet the elusive Madagascar serpent eagle. Once thought to be lost forever, this majestic bird of prey has made a spectacular comeback, proving that even in the face of habitat destruction, life can find a way. From the verdant canopies of Madagascar, we'll then travel back in time to the era of the Smilodon, the infamous saber-toothed tiger. A beast of legend and myth, the Smilodon's tale is one of survival against the odds in a world that was changing rapidly. Lastly, we'll dive deep into the ocean's depths to encounter the coelacanth. This ancient fish, once believed to have disappeared along with the dinosaurs, surprised the world with its rediscovery, reminding us that there are still mysteries to be uncovered in the deep blue sea. The world of animals is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises come in the form of a second chance. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the incredible tales of resilience and resurgence from the brink of extinction. Our countdown begins with a bird of prey that soared back into existence, the Madagascar serpent eagle. Once believed to be lost to the world, the Madagascar serpent eagle is a remarkable bird that has clung tenaciously to life. Its story is one of disappearance and an unexpected resurgence that baffled many. This eagle was thought to have vanished forever, its absence noted by ornithologists and birdwatchers alike. But much to everyone's surprise, it reappeared, proving that sometimes nature has a way of preserving its own in the most unexpected ways. The Madagascar serpent eagle, as its name suggests, hails from the lush, exotic landscapes of Madagascar. It's a relatively small eagle, with a wingspan reaching just over 2 feet. But what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in character. Its feathers are a striking blend of dark brown and white, with piercing yellow eyes that are as captivating as they are intimidating. The bird's strong talons and sharp beak are perfectly adapted for its diet, which, true to its name, includes a variety of serpents and other small creatures. The eagle's habitat is as unique as the bird itself. It's found mainly in the rainforests of eastern Madagascar, a place known for its rich biodiversity. It's here, amidst the tall trees and dense foliage, that the eagle builds its nest, hunts, and lives out its life. The eagle's survival is intrinsically linked to the health of these forests, making conservation efforts in the region all the more critical. The resurgence of the Madagascar serpent eagle is a tale of hope. It's a story that teaches us about resilience, about the power of nature, and about the importance of conservation in preserving the world's incredible biodiversity. It's a reminder that even when all seems lost, life can find a way to endure and thrive in the most challenging circumstances. The Madagascar serpent eagle, a living testament to resilience and survival. Before we continue our countdown, let's give a nod to some honorable mentions. First on the list is the Caspian horse, believed to be one of the oldest horse breeds in the world. This majestic creature was thought to be lost in the annals of time, but it made a triumphant return, reminding us of our ancient ties with the animal kingdom. Next, we have the South Island takahe, a flightless bird from New Zealand. Once thought to be extinct for half a century, it was rediscovered in the wild, symbolizing the power of nature's endurance. Lastly, let's not forget the New Guinea singing dog, named for its unique and melodious call. This dog was considered extinct in the wild for over 50 years, but recent sightings have given us renewed hope for its survival. Each of these animals has a story to tell, a story of resilience, survival, and hope. Continuing our countdown, we find ourselves face to face with a creature from the past, the Smilodon. Known more commonly as the saber-toothed tiger, the Smilodon is a creature that, for many, epitomizes prehistoric life. This imposing feline first roamed our planet more than 2.5 million years ago, right up until about 10,000 years ago when they seemingly vanished from the face of the Earth. Their extinction was largely attributed to a combination of climate change and a diminishing food source, as the large herbivores they preyed upon began to disappear. Fast forward to the 21st century, and you'll find that the Smilodon is not as extinct as we once thought. In what can only be described as a surprising resurgence, Smilodon sightings are no longer confined to the pages of history books or the dioramas of museums. But what is it that makes the Smilodon such a fascinating creature? Well, their name, derived from the Greek words for knife and tooth, gives us a clue. The Smilodon was known for its distinctive pair of long, curved canine teeth, which could grow up to 11 inches long. These saber-like teeth were not just for show, they were instrumental in the Smilodon's hunting strategy, allowing it to deliver a deadly bite to its prey. In the ecosystem, the Smilodon played a crucial role as an apex predator, helping to regulate the populations of large herbivores. Their return to the wild has brought with it a sense of balance, a return to the natural order that existed before their initial extinction. The story of the Smilodon is not just one of survival, but of resilience and adaptability. It's a testament to the strength of nature and the enduring will of life to persevere, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. The Smilodon, a reminder of a past that refuses to stay buried. And finally, we reach the top of our countdown with a creature that swam back from oblivion, the coelacanth. This ancient fish was believed to have gone extinct about 65 million years ago, along with the dinosaurs. Its fossil record was well documented, giving scientists a glimpse into a long-gone era of marine life. Then, in 1938, a trawler off the coast of South Africa hauled in an unexpected catch. Among the usual assortment of sea life was a fish that seemed to have been plucked straight from prehistory. It was a coelacanth, a species that had been presumed extinct for millions of years. The living coelacanth provided a thrilling link to our planet's distant past, a living fossil swimming in our modern seas. The coelacanth is not just a curiosity from the past, though. It's a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. Its unique features include lobed fins, which move in a manner similar to how legs move, suggesting that it could be a transitional species between fish and tetrapods, the first four-legged land animals. Its ability to live in the oxygen-poor depths of the ocean, where few other creatures can survive, is another testament to its resilience and adaptability. The coelacanth's unexpected reappearance and survival is a boon for scientists, offering insights into evolutionary biology and marine ecology. It's a reminder that life on Earth has a long, complex history, filled with unexpected twists and turns. Today, the coelacanth is considered critically endangered, threatened by deep-sea fishing and habitat destruction. Its story underscores the importance of conservation efforts. By protecting the coelacanth, we're not just saving a species, we're preserving a living piece of our planet's history. The coelacanth, a living fossil, a symbol of survival against all odds. From the Madagascar serpent eagle to the coelacanth, these animals remind us of the power of survival. They have beaten the odds, rising from the ashes of what was once considered their end. Their stories are not just tales of resurrection from the brink of extinction, but a testament to the relentless spirit of life. The Madagascar serpent eagle, with its fierce gaze and powerful wings, teaches us the importance of adaptability. The Smilodon, a creature of ancient times, reminds us of the value of strength and resilience in the face of adversity. The coelacanth, seemingly unchanged for millions of years, exemplifies the power of endurance. Along with the memorable mentions, the Caspian horse, the South Island takahe, and the New Guinea singing dog, these creatures show us that survival is not about the survival of the fittest, but about the survival of the most adaptable. They are a reminder that sometimes, even when all seems lost, life finds a way.